You are watching one of the videos in our series of instructional videos on how to assemble a building kit. Click the link in the description below to purchase your own building in a box.
Measure your concrete pad to ensure it is the same size as the building you ordered. Most likely it will be slightly wider or narrower than the building is. For best results, you will want to frame the building to what size you ordered and not what size pad you have. If the pad is the same size as the building you ordered, you simply measure back from each edge 3.5 inches if you are using a 2x4 wall, or 5.5 inches if you are using a 2x6 wall. To achieve this, you may have to hang the wall off the pad no more than 3/4 of an inch or to the inside no more than 1/2 inch. If the pad is significantly larger than the building you ordered, you may have to leave the rat guard trim off and set the metal directly on the concrete that hangs over. If that is the case, silicone will need to be applied to keep rainwater from running under the wall. The chalked lines will need to be applied marking the inside of all 4 walls. When you are ready to chalk lines and you ordered a 2x4 wall on your building, you will need to take the dimensions of your building and take off 7 inches. For instance, if you bought a 30x40, your measurements will be 29 feet 5 inches by 39 feet 5 inches. That is what the distance needs to be between your chalked lines. For a 2x6 wall, you will need to take off 11 inches. Basically, it is the total thickness of 2 walls. Split the difference on each side so that the building is shorter or hangs off the same on each side. Whoever poured your concrete should have already squared the pad, but you should probably check diagonally to ensure your building will be square. If it is out of square, adjust your lines accordingly.